Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily change button settings. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is open our Skullcandy app and then click button settings. Now as you can see on wheel press, double press we can play something, or Spotify tab, take photo, activate assistance, or something like that. We can on volume up button, on single press, double press, triple press on, or 1 second hold, set something, the same on mid button, or the same on volume down button. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.